Hello friends, my name is NA Saqib. I'm your IELTS and spoken English tutor and student visa consultant. Today once again we are here in the recording session and having a recording of IELTS speaking part 2. Today's topic would be describe a time when internet helped you solve a problem. The bullet points are, you should say when it was, what problem you faced, and number 3, how the internet helped you solve this problem. Here we go. Now, she's been given, one of our students, Miss Aksa, has been given 1 minute to brainstorm, think about ideas, take notes, and then she'll have to speak more on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah, it's a long term. You understand about the strategy. The student has to speak for 1 to 2 minutes continuously on this topic. The bullet points are given, but it's not mandated to speak about the bullet points given. You can have your own points, but the topic should be addressed. What the topic has been given or assigned to you on the cue card by the examiner. So here we go. Here we begin. Time is given, and she'll have to speak on that topic later on. So your time begins now.
As you know, we are connected in an era where the internet is the most important source of technology, and we are connected by the internet like the neuron in the giant brain. And nowadays, internet is becoming the town scare for the global village global village for tomorrow. And the internet is becoming an oxygen for the human being, as we can't breathe without internet, as we want internet for each and every second, and we can't live without this technology of internet. I am sharing my incident with you guys that it was about a couple of months ago when I was traveling for a road trip to Islamabad, and I was very thrilled and excited, but for a while I realized that my state of excitement turned into a state of horror when I realized that I have been lost from the actual side where I wanted to meant to be. But for a while I calm myself, I take a deep breath, and then I realize that I have the mobile in my hand, and technology is vast nowadays, and any problem is just 1 click away. So I connected my 4G internet, and then I opened my Google map and to navigate my destination. But it seems difficult for me for a second, but I take a time and relax myself, and then I followed the path which Google told me, and for about a few hours I reached my destination, and I feel overwhelmed and blessed that I have reached my destination safe and sound, and I breathed a sigh of relief. So that was the incident when internet helped me to solve my problem. And in this current era, internet gives us advantage that can be taken for a variety of different things. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Indeed, the oxygen was very brilliantly used. Breathe. She has not been using the right pronunciation. It was breathe is a verb, and breath is a noun. Breathing, when you add ing with the first form. So, and state of excitement, brilliantly used. I took a deep breath. Yes, it should be like this. Navigate my destination. Good phrases and good collocations, and reached my destination and safe and sound. So she has tried her best to use good vocabulary. Pronunciation was good, except 1 or 2 problems. Otherwise, overall, she has spoken brilliantly, and I hope that she will keep on refining herself further in the upcoming uploads. All the best, guys and girls. See you after a while. Bye-bye. Cheers, cheers, cheers.